Hello everybody, thank you for the opportunity to say a few things about innovation, I would say. My name is Roberto Giannantonio. I work since I finished my study in the university in technology companies. In particular, I worked for 20 years in a quite large multinational company dealing with material development in several fields. And during these 20 years, I also had the pleasure to manage the corporate R&D of this group. I also had the chance to found a company aimed at developing all organic flexible displays, and so in a field which is not so far from the one we are today within this European project. Since a couple of years I work for a technological district which is located in Puglia, whose name is DTEC. It is a public-private consortium, so where public research centers are cooperating with mainly large industries, playing in several high-tech fields. Being a company, the leading technology company, has a main interest, which is to develop a business. And unless this is a newborn company, if this is a company already living and making and selling a product on the market, this company is living a competitive game, meaning that the technology that it has to develop is mainly useful to innovate the range of products that these companies has already developed in the past and must keep developing to sustain the competition. This application, the market, and this is technology. And you can struggle to identify a way to connect two things. For example, here a product which is completely defined by its functional property lives, and I develop technology able to give this product the defined properties. This is a way you can move. For example, in this schema you find no place for the design, for example, or for different ways to develop the technology. But from the systemic point of view, this can be solved by involving a third element here. Technology, application, and here you have a subject that will try to connect the technology to application, but this subject is a third subject. It is not the technology company, it is not the market that requires a new product. Is a third, so innovation is managed by involving three subjects, not two subjects, technology company and market, but also a third subject. For example, the contribution that designers are giving in this project to develop technology to work in applications resides here. The design stays here. No? In my case today, this is the technological district I am working in. And a way to freely identify a potential for an embryonic technology is to involve people, for example, that may want to generate a startup. And so this is my guess of the technology portfolio which is needed. Here I find a lot of people in the public research center, in the companies, everywhere a technology is residing, or people has the attitude to develop them, and then feedback to modify the technology portfolio, and then going, for example, in the case I cited, we went to an hospital, to the San Raffaele Hospital, for example, which is a market that I do not know, but this demonstrates this is not really needed, and saying, hey guy, hey doctor, I am able to develop this tool to treat the bladder cancer, which is a very bad disease. Oh yeah, but no, don't do that. Do not develop something this way for the bladder cancer, because I will need something else. So we get back and back and back and back and back. And finally, eventually, you find a palette of technologies which is suitable to make exactly what the customer, in this case the clinicians, may want.